Say zebra. Say Tweety bird. Where's Tweety bird? Tweety bird. Can you say Bubbles Bubbles? Ew. Can you box? Can you go roof roof? Can you say meow? Can you say meow? Can you say moo like the cow? Can you sing? Can you sing? Can you show me muscles? Where's the muscles? Can you show me muscles? Oi. Can you brush your hair? Can you brush your teeth? Put on deodorant? Where are your ears? Right there. Ooh, scary ears. Where's your mouth? Where are your knees? Those are your toes. Where are your knees? No, that's nose. Ew, no. Where are your eyes? Can you play peekaboo? Peekaboo. Say monkey. Nemo. Say Elmo. Say Woody. Mo, Elmo. Can you say oh ah ooh ah ee ah ooh ah ooh ah ooh? Say ah ooh ah ooh ah ee ah ooh. Say uh-oh. Be careful. Can you say uh-oh? Oh, ah ooh ah ooh. Can you pray? Amen. Good job. Good job. Where are you? Where'd you go? Where did Jordan? Where did Jordan go? Where is Jordan? Are you being silly? Are you being silly? What are you doing? Quit doing that! Come here. No! Where's Jordan? Where's Jordan? He's coming now. Boo. Can you blow a kiss? too many kisses. Can you say dolphin? Dolphin. What is that? What is this? Say nannies. You gotta get one and then say yum 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 yum. Say yum 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 yum. Can you say yum 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 yum? Say Tweety bird. Can you say Tweety bird? Can you say zebra?
Zebra.
Can you say giraffe? Turtle? Can you say elephant? Elephant? How about turtle? Ew. That's not... Whatever, you faker. You're such a faker. Can you say turtle? Tweety bird. Nanny. Can you say Woody? Are you just going to keep messing with my bag? Oh my goodness, no, don't do it. No, that's too many. What did you do? Oh no. Say uh-oh. Uh-oh. Bye-bye.